reality. We weren't the same since today. Our eternity faded within mechanical debauchery and carnal dismay. We couldn't even count to 10. That was my birthday. I can remember when only memories of death began. Crawling up my arms for what used to be arms, but now we're fastened by a torture chamber, realistic danger. So don't be so surprised. We'll fly and ride with kind minds. Gonna hurt you, but you can't scream bloody murder. Hey, you miss her, then she's got beats that'll push you further. Bang, got the hot seat, party's over. I'm sorry, this is what we do. We didn't choose this. Don't diss, just like us, you won't be missed. But I got half a mind for no, you'll panic. Your body parts sporadic. We go to patient for your brain. Can't stretch it, let me have it. Gonna grab it, I got nothing left to lose. Dang it, you can hide, justify, but we got our genocide. Now it's time you die. We can